currently 5:53. And 5:54. And the reason why we are up is because we're heading to the beach. As you guys know, we live in the Bahamas. We have a little beach curfew now because of the virus. No, I look crazy. Like I say, it's 5 in the morning. But he and my brother, are going.
We can do some morning spear fishing. Well, we can attempt to do some morning spear fishing.
Yeah.
But it's more so to just go on the beach because I haven't been on the beach in like a month, and I love the beach. So
Okay, and I'm just going to chill out. I'm gonna swim and
watch the sunrise.
watch the sunrise, lay in the
You
sun.
need to tell them how this year how you don't really like to wake up early, and it's like like a rag.
I used to not be a morning person, but I have a baby now. By the way, baby is with her Grammy, so that's where she is. We'll be back. The curfew is from 5 to 9, so we'll be back by 9 a.m. to pick up and actually do some more activities today. Because we're both off.
We off, baby.
So
Baby.
on our way to pick up Regan, my brother, and then see you guys at the beach. We got Regan in the cut.
Yo, let's go, buddy.
On our way now. How's the water? Huh?
Aye.
They got this spare. This one left his spare. Well, I'm about to set up my towel and chill out in the sand.
Huh?
I tell her that, buddy.
So I stuff to dry.
So we finally made it to the beach.
Finally, dog.
I can't wait to get in the water.
No, I look dead. Guys, I got my little setup right here. I'll be waiting for the boys. The water is super cold right now. But I will be going in soon. Let's try. It's not that cold, guys, so I'm gone. So you have on long sleeve. You don't really feel the cold, guys, but
she's scared to seaweed. So right now, well, like I'd say 4 weeks ago, we saw like some lobsters around here, but the season wasn't open yet. So we came back to see if they still are. We couldn't come back when the season opened, which was August 1st, because you know COVID-19. So, but that's what we're about to look for right now. Right now, the water visibility ain't too good. Probably walk in. But yeah. See you when we get one.
Guys, these boobs got super duper big. And I lost a lot of weight too, guys. I didn't know. I think you lose weight stuff after having kids. But I lost weight. I just love the beach. I love water. I love the Bahamas. It's just fresh air that we needed. Anyway, I'm about to go enjoy. Okay, I just got back to shore. As you can see, the boys are still out. As you can see, the sun is starting to rise. It's so pretty, y'all. Super pretty. But yeah, basically, I think we're gonna go for some coffee, pick up our baby, and then go for some coffee. So I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit after we come off the beach. So.
Good fryer.
Okay, let's show them what we got.
Nice gray snapper.
Nice gray snapper.
Y'all got something first, right? And put it back.
Crawfish, but it was on the side.
Put them back.
Put them back.
Alright. So y'all got another hour.
Yeah.
Gonna try to get one.
Alright. You eating it for dinner?
Of course, fried right.
You can't see it yet?
You caught another one. Caught another one.
You guys started over, man. Right.
Hey.
One great snapper.
Good day today. We're back. Alright, so we just came back from the beach. It was pretty good. I drank a lot of salt water. I didn't really plan to do that, but I did. It was a successful day. Me and my brother had a lot of fun. I mean, I didn't get any fish today. He did all of the killing today. But yeah, we finished. We both got ready. Now we're back on the road. We picked up Crybaby Lani. And we're about to get some Wendy's right quick. And then I'm gonna go buy a shirt. And then we going to head to a coffee shop. Because that's one thing we love to do. Go to artisan coffee shops. Yeah, so see you there. See you after all of that. Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're back from on the beach, and now we're gonna take you guys to do a couple errands. As you can see, I'm in the backseat with baby. We picked her up. We picked baby girl up. Look how she have a bow, guys. She hates, absolutely hates this car seat. Baby. Oh. Okay, yeah, as you guys can see, I'm in the backseat with baby. She absolutely hates that car seat. But anyway, we're gonna take you guys on the road with us. We're currently on Wendy's line. We're gonna take you guys on the road with us. Like you said, we're going to the coffee shop. I'm gonna upload a video for you guys so y'all will see that before this. And yeah, this is just another vlog for you guys. This one is with baby, our first vlog with babies.
Hopefully she behaves today.
She's good. She's a good baby. But she just hates that car seat. Okay? See you guys.
Alright guys, so we just pulled up at the coffee shop. We decided to go to Bon Vivants. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Bon Vivants, right, babe? Bon Vivants. She don't like the sun.
Fine.
Trying to put her to sleep, eh?
No.
Yeah, so I love coffee. Maybe, yeah. Good to go in there and find a comfy spot. Alright, so we made it to the coffee shop. Sarai, mommy. Alright, what you got, babe? So
White mocha.
White mocha.
I'm currently trying to
That's beautiful.
upload a video for you guys because their Wi-Fi is super fast and my Wi-Fi was slow. So the things I do for you guys.
Yeah, what? 3. I don't know if you can see that. Like, that's like 3%, 3 hours. Anyway, I got a cappuccino. Yeah, but this is what we always wanted to do. Go on a coffee date with the family. Lonnie, don't embarrass us, okay?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, as y'all can see, this is a week-long vlog because I never got to end that first vlog when we was on the beach. So I decided to vlog today. It is Sunday, we're both off. And we have baby Sarai. She's so cute. Okay, so today, like I said, we're going to be taking you guys with us. We don't know what we're going to do yet, but we're off, so we want to spend some family time. Say, you.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to finishing the vlog that we started on the beach.
Yeah, so we just opened up her little carrier thing, and we're gonna let Dad test it out for the first time. She is growing so big every single day, so now I think she can finally, look at those cheeks. She can finally fit it, so see you guys. Okay guys, we decided to go on the park. Baby Nanny is enjoying. She's sleeping right now.
She's sleeping.
Oh, you guys look so cute.
Get to my good side.
She look like a little doll. Hey baby. Hey mama. She's sleeping. So small and cute. Got daddy. Yeah, like I was saying, we are both off, so we needed to spend some quality time here this time together as a family. So we're gonna go for a little walk. This is a fort, y'all. In the box. It's a little fort. Parenthood is a little different.
Oh, let's bring us kids on the park too.
Because someone else just brought their kids on the park. But yeah, it's a little different. We can't just get up and leave like we used to. It takes a little bit longer.
Yeah, like just now I wanted to stop in Fresh Market. That's like the Bahamian Whole Foods, the equivalent, and just like browse. Because I like to, you know, as a chef and stuff like that, like I like to look at what I buy in, and they have a lot of stuff that you can't find in like Super Value and stuff, but we can't take it in now because, well, COVID-19.
Yeah, so they don't let you take no babies. I mean, we wouldn't really want to.
Yeah, we wouldn't take it in the first place, but I mean, yeah, so that's why.
Yeah, so we can't really do any. Oh shit, she's pregnant. I thought too. I was just kids.
You think I thought that was
Kid.
you think?
You say. You say you bring us kids. Kids are right. But yeah, guys, we can't really do nothing. But yeah. This is the only kind of things that we could do. Go to the parks. We can't even take her like on the beach yet. She's almost 2 months. So these are the things that we will be doing for now. Y'all, this is skin for me. These eyebrows are ridiculous. Wake up, baby. Y'all, this baby sleeps all day. And we be up all night.
She's a talkers at night.
She really do. But yeah, it's a little baby starter pack. Baby bottle. I love this bottle, y'all. Aww. So, question. Do we want more kids?
Yes! Oh shit, sorry, Lenny. Yes, we want more kids.
I am content with my little baby girl. Actually, he wants a boy.
I need a fishing buddy. I need a buddy to take fishing with me. I mean, I could take Sarai too, but
She crying because she want to be the only girl.
I need me, but yeah, I want a boy.
You want a mini you?
Yeah, I want a mini me.
Well, I got my mini me. I don't mind having another baby. I would like a little boy, just so the family can be complete.
No more though. Two.
Just two.
And if three, if the boy don't come with.
What if it's 3 girls?
Well, and I just have to live with that.
Then you will be officially a girl dad.
It is what it is.
But no, we only having 2. Like I said, I don't mind going again. And we want to have them close together.
Not too close though.
Not
We
too
give
close.
Sarai some time to be a baby.
Yeah. We want to have, you know,
Enjoy being a baby.
Yeah. So, yeah, hopefully that's a boy because I don't plan on going back.
God's plan, you know, how that go.
But I feel like he'll give us it because he blessed me with what I wanted first. And I always wanted to be like my mom. Like my mom had me at like 23, I'm 24. I've always wanted to have kids at that age because of her. And then she had a boy after, which is my little brother. And that's what I want. I don't want to wait 5.5 years. So we want to go in like 3 or 4 years.
Yeah, 3 or 4 years.
3 or 4 years. We want to try again. But y'all, this body is trying to get back, so it ain't gonna be right.
Gyms open up, well, supposedly in October. They say, I hear October 15th.
Yeah, y'all, like y'all know we live in the Bahamas, and our gyms be opening, closing, opening. He go to the gym, I don't, but I'm gonna start going to the gym with him.
Like COVID do me 30 though. I got a little muffin growing on.
He got a little dad bod now. But yeah, when it opens, I'm gonna be going with him. Y'all, he also got me on coffee. Shit. Love coffee. So I'm going to be starting with that.
I don't think love is the right word. I'm a coffee connoisseur.
I think that can help me out with baby because I got the milk. So I be up at 1 o'clock. So in the morning when I'm going to work and I have to take it to my mom and this and that, I get off my coffee and that's good.
Yeah, not too much coffee.
Not too much.
She's still breastfeeding.
And I don't like
so.
black. Yeah, I still breastfeeding. I don't like black coffee. I like it with cream and sugar. But yeah, people starting to look at us crazy. I don't know.
Got more coins than the game room.